Going to the Louis Vuitton store for my first, well, it's not my first Louis Vuitton purchase, but like in-store purchase, you can say. So ready? You know, had to come looking nice for the stuff, you know, my first purchase in store. So, hey, my family with me. Okay. Okay, so I'm at home. The baby is here. She's here. Okay, so I just wanted to put a disclaimer out that this is not supposed to be like a bragging video of any sort. This is just like, you know, like documenting a major accomplishment that I've always wanted to do for myself. I saved money. I told myself if I saved enough for my birthday, I would give myself my own Louis Vuitton bag. And I wanted to I have like a few pre-loved items, but this was like my first like in-store purchase, and I'm really excited about it. So I just thought I would take you along on this journey of me getting it and just like unboxing, revealing the beauty. So I did ask if I could get my initials on it, but unfortunately with this bag, the canvas, the way it's styled and like the material, they said they weren't able to put your initials on it unless I had like a tote bag. I mean, not a tote bag, like one of those tags that are on like the luggage tags. You could like add that to your bag if you wanted, but I have to like own a luggage piece for them to put my name on the tag. But I was like, you know what, it's okay. You know, she's mine, so I feel like I was just like, I low-key was kind of like all right with it because I wanted to take it home. If they put my initials on the bag, it would have to like keep it for like a few days and stuff. So especially for the store that I went to, they have like different stores have different time frames of when they can give the bag back to you after they put your initials on it. So let's get to the Louis Vuitton bag. Like, look how big this bag was. Like, look at it compared to me. Oh my god. Okay, so also what's her name, the lady that helped me, I had a really great experience. There was actually like a lot. I went to the one at Tyson's Mall, Tyson's too, and there was like a lot of like people of color in there too, and I was really surprised, like you know, because since it's like, you know, a pandemic's going on, they had really good precautions of like keeping everybody separated, and everyone had their own person to go to. And the person that I had was Delonda. She was so nice. I had a really good experience. That's what I was low-key a little bit afraid of, like going in, because I've heard, like I've watched videos of people experimenting, like not experimenting, like experiencing bad trips going to the store, of like them being judged, or you know, just not having like an overall good experience. They didn't have that, but thankfully the lady, everyone was really nice in there. But yeah, they came up to you while you're waiting to see like if your bag was in stock, so that was pretty cool. And my bag was in stock. Oh, like I was saying, I got sidetracked. This bag is like the typical Louis Vuitton bag, and they are releasing the holiday shopping bags, but it's gonna be later in November. And I kind of figured that since I went a little bit early that I wouldn't get a chance, but the lady that helped me said if I contact her, she'll save a bag for me, which was great. Now, get to the unboxing. Oh my god, I'm like keeping all of this because this is like a major like milestone for me. Like, my favorite luxury brand is Louis Vuitton. Like, it's so classic, and like the prices are I feel like they're reasonable. Like you can save up for them and not feel too bad. I mean, this, don't get me wrong, this bag was pricey, but I saved for this. So and I feel like every once in a while, like I've worked really hard for the past several years, and I just wanted to gift myself something really nice that will last me a long time, and hopefully I can pass down to my children if I am, you know, lucky enough. So I'll leave that beauty there. Put it on the slide. Okay. So here's his little blue ribbon. I think people keep the like ribbon too. So that's nice, little card here. What's in the card? Oh, slide. Oh, ooh, I didn't see this. Oh, it's I guess this is like if you gifted it to somebody, there's nothing on the card. I'll just put that in here. Okay. Yeah, they do, and they do put your like receipt and like their business card. They give it to you in this separate paper. But yes, here we go. I can't believe I got that. Like, I'm still shook. I'm still shook, guys. Oh, man. Okay. It slides out. Oh, it opens. Just kidding. Okay. Okay. And then, of course, the Louis Vuitton dust bag. This box is huge, man. You can, like, put all kinds of stuff in here. Like, if I wanted to, like, as a storage thing. I probably won't, but wow, like I'm gonna keep the bag in the box. Wow. Okay. Oh, it smells good. All right, you guys ready? Ta-da! I got the on the go in the GM size, the reverse canvas. Reverse. So nice. Like, look at that. And they said that if there was like any bad stitching, here's the bottom of it. If there were any bad stitching, that I could bring it back to the store and they'll fix it, or if there's like anything flaws. It has a little, here are, even the handles are in reverse monogram. There you go. I think I need to turn my face, I forgot to turn back on my face recognition. So sometimes if I block my face, I need to add that feature back onto my camera. I was like messing around with the features. But yes, this is a bag. Look, compared to me, it's so beautiful. Just to show you how the inside, just from like the top point of view, it has this little buckle here that can clasp off. It's red. I wanted red interior matter. Like, I was going in there for a tote bag, so I was either going to get on the go in the canvas monogram, or I'm sorry, did I say it on Neverfull? I'm so sorry. The Neverfull in the MM size, that one also in canvas, and the interior would be the cherry red. So I, of course, when I saw this, I was like, oh, okay, so I've done my research and I knew it was red on the inside, so if I got the Neverfull, I would get that in red. But yes, this is the interior. And so since I got a later edition of this bag, the straps are black, and I honestly do not mind it at all. I think it makes the bag more versatile, to be honest. And I think I saw when I was researching that they changed the straps because the reverse canvas, the straps used to look like the bag itself. They changed the straps because I think there was like cracking, like something was happening with the straps. So they took those off and replaced it with the black ones. And the black ones are also on the MM size of this bag. And I love the spacing. Like I wore like, as you saw, I had like layers on, and I still had room to like hold this bag up. So that was really great. It's versatile. You can hold it like this or hold the bag up. And people were saying how it got heavy, maybe when you add stuff in it, but like when they were holding it with it being empty, they said it was heavy. I honestly, I mean, maybe because I'm used to carrying heavy bags. Like I'm an engineer, so I feel like ever since college, like my backpack like have been like packed with stuff. So it's not too heavy for me personally. But I haven't experienced. Maybe I can do like a second video of like traveling with this bag, or just like going to work. If I go into the office, since I'm working from home, I don't really go into the office, but sometimes I do. I'll take it in and like put stuff in it and see how it is then. And I will get I think I'm gonna get an organizer for this. Maybe, I don't know, I saw somebody have an organizer in their bag, and it kind of like pushed this out a little bit, and I don't know if I like that. I think I want it to keep its shape, so I don't know if I'm gonna get an organizer yet. I don't know, I'm still debating. But yeah, I'll make sure to get mod shots of it, me holding it. It's super deep. That's like half my arm. I'm just so excited that I got this bag. Like, I think I would have regret if I got the Neverfull, because just comparing it, when they brought it out, they showed me this bag first, and I'm like, they knew what they were doing. I'm like, literally, when you see this bag and then you see the Neverfull, you're just like, I want the on the go. Like, yeah. Yes, this is her. I think I'm gonna take some pictures, and then I'll get some shots of me standing up with the bag. Yes, I hope you guys, this is her. This is the Louis Vuitton on the go reverse monogram in GM size. I hope you guys like this video. I guess this is like my first luxury video. Period. I was like literally looking at this bag for like a whole year, and I'm just like, so I was initially looking at the Neverfull tote, and then when this came out, I think late last year, like at the end of like the holiday season, maybe November, December time frame, and I saw this, I was like, she bad. So, oh my god, I can't believe I have these. Okay, but yes, thank you for watching. If you like this video, feel free to give a thumbs up, comment. If you have a Louis Vuitton bag, what's your favorite Louis Vuitton bag? Even if you like or if you don't like this bag, because I know some people don't like the large monogram, like the logo size, but I didn't mind it. This compared to the MM is just like a typical purse. Like I wanted a tote bag that was big enough. I'm sure you could fit some things in there, but that was more, it felt like it was more like purse, like your everyday purse, versus like this is like you can travel, take to work. I mean, this is an everyday bag too, but sometimes I like to wear like, you know, satchels or crossbodies if I'm going to someplace quick. So, but yeah, this is her. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time.